In this video, I will show you how to change default resolution for inserting picture in Microsoft Word. This is specifically for MacBook user. So go and click on the Word, which is located at the top left corner. Third option is for the preference. Click over here. A new window will pop up. Click on the edit. And over here, you can find image size high quality. So choose. If you want to change this format for all new document, you can choose the all new document, or if you have any specific document, you can choose a specific document. So let's select all new document, and then it shows do not compress image in file. So you can check this box, and also default resolution. Over here you will see for Microsoft the default resolution is 220 ppi. You can change it to high fidelity. Once done, then just close it. So this is the simple way we can change the default resolution for inserting picture in Word. If you learned something through this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.